No. Robbie, leave them alone. You're not to get one, because you'll just end up making a mess.
I need one of them. No, not loads of ones. There's when...
Robbie, you don't go into the cupboards and take stuff out, because that's for to cook your tea, and if I've not got anything, you'll not be able to get your tea cooked.
Have milkshake.
You better go and ask your mum.
Mum, can I have milkshake? She said no.
Well, that means you can't get one.
But she said yes, that means you can get one.
You don't play about with that either, that's dangerous. Right, down.
No, I'm making